Well, this place is pretty strange. The people here are a little strange. I got a guy coming to meet me though, and it is 65 degrees out. There are a lot of flies here trying to get in. I can't seem to find a dumpster around here either. Some beautiful views. All the mountains back here. He stopped by to look at this. This ain't good. Well, that was really good news. That guy actually is the one that owns Animas Repair Shop, which is a garage here. The one I said, I actually deleted that part of the video so you didn't hear me. I said something about like Felpro gaskets or something on, there was a sign. I don't know exactly what the sign was. I'm just making that up. But it was something automotive related. He said, bring it over. I open at 8. He's going to put it up on the lift and weld this all together the right way. See, everything happens for a reason, you know? There's a reason I picked 3 nights here. I didn't know why. I don't like the place, but I'm glad I came. So I'll just eat some tuna fish, sandwiches, it's about all I have, and French fries. Is that a weird combination? Probably. Maybe I'll make a tuna melt. No, I don't know how to cook. Okay. Alright. I'll catch you on a little bit. Well, I'm off to the shop to get my bumper fixed professionally, like was recommended to me. This way I don't have to worry about it anymore. Oh, somebody's coming in with a shed. And yes, I did clean my windows. Well, he's closed till 1 now. Look at them mountains. Well, I've been spending my last day here emptying out all the locksmithing tools out of the belly, because that one, both 2 back bellies got flooded. So now I got WD-40 everything. Make sure my electronic machine still works. I'm still gonna let it dry out before I plug it in. Man, I hope that works. That's my source of income. Tumbleweeds are real. I just got hit by a big one. It's in front of my RV now. This is the tumbleweed here. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with them. I'm gonna try and get it stuck in the field out here. It's so windy. This is gonna work. Holy heck. There's little prickly things that are getting stuck in my fingers. I don't know, is this the right thing to do? Just put it right back in here where it came from? It doesn't work that well. Holy crap! Break it down or something. Try not to do this right. There's probably a right protocol to that. So because of that, all this has to go back now into the tracker. This might have to go in the tracker too, for now. Or maybe even straps to the hood, I don't know yet. Because now my bike's going to have to hang off the ladder. Well, it's 2 o'clock. I can't take a chance on this guy. I know he said he'd do it, but he didn't give me any idea at all. if he was going to do it today or not. I'm leaving tomorrow. It's got to be 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds all day long, and tumbleweeds blowing everywhere. I just want to get out of here, and I'm just going to drive the hour to the next town, the next big town, and see if I can find a mechanic and just pay whatever it is. I'm going to have to. 'Cause I mean, either that or I got to drive out to Tucson, get my sister to drive me back, and then bring this back. And I really I don't want to do all that. That's going to be 7.5 hours of driving tomorrow instead of 2.5. So I'm just going to get somebody. You can go to a regular shop up here. There's a Walmart, there's a McDonald's. About an hour away. I'll get there at 3 o'clock. I say, if you anything you can do to get it in today, please. And if he does, or she, or they, this car is just making so many noises, then I'll be good to go for tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm kind of stuck here. Well, I found a weld shop here, not far up the road, so I don't have to go the whole hour. I'm about 15 minutes away. He's closed, but he's willing to do it today. And just like that, well, for you at least, it's only been a couple seconds. For me, it's been about 45 minutes, but all welded up. I'm not going to say anything about the price. The guy was closed. He was just getting scrap, taking the scrap yard, and he was nice enough to get his gooseneck trailer and move it out of the way, move all the wheels and tires, clean up the shop, and bring me in to weld it. So it's done. And instead of going an hour in the town, I went 20-some minutes or so to him. So I'm getting back and it's still daylight. I'm happy. He's happy. And that's probably going to be it for me now, because I'm hooking up tomorrow and leaving. Still got to figure out where the bike's going to go and where the poop tank's going to go. Not looking forward to doing all that, but they're both let me say it nicer. The sewage tank is heavy, but the bike is really heavy. So I gotta figure out what's best, because I got all that stuff in the back here, and the bike will not fit in that compartment. Oh, I'm already back? No, I can't be. That's a whole nother town. Alright, so this will be my short video, and I will probably get one out tomorrow for the short ride to Tucson, and that'll be another short video. Sorry they've all been like half hour plus. I've cut so much out of them to get them down to that. I'll catch you all later. I guess now I know why it's called Smugglers Roost. It says, smugglers once crossed this area with mule trains, contraband from Mexico to be traded for merchandise in Arizona. In the summer of 1881, a group of Mexican smugglers were killed in Skeleton Canyon by members of the Clanton gang, including Old Man Clanton, Ike and Billy Clanton, and Curly Bill.